Apple enthusiasts may wish to take note. Credible reports from German telecommunications sources indicate that the highly anticipated iPhone 17 series is scheduled for official unveiling on Tuesday, September 9, 2025. This timing aligns precisely with Apple's established launch tradition, early September announcements, avoiding both September 11th out of respect for historical events and Fridays for major product reveals. According to these reports, Apple's rollout schedule will follow its familiar structure. September 9th, official announcement event. September 12th, pre-orders open. September 19th, first day of in-store availability and deliveries to early purchasers. The upcoming product range is expected to include the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. However, the well-known Plus variant may be absent from this year's lineup. In its place, industry insiders suggest the debut of an entirely new model, the iPhone 17 Air. Designed to be thinner, lighter, and more portable, the Air is likely aimed at users who seek premium Apple craftsmanship without the full specifications and cost of the Pro models. Notably, this launch cycle could mark the final year in which Apple introduces all iPhone models simultaneously. Reports suggest a potential shift beginning in 2026, whereby the company may hold two separate launch events annually. Under this model, Apple might release the Pro series and possibly an innovative iPhone Fold in September, followed by the standard iPhones in Air Edition in the spring. Such a strategy would not only generate sustained market excitement but also shorten product refresh intervals. In addition to the iPhone announcements, the Apple Watch Series 11 is widely expected to be introduced during the same September event. Consistent with previous years, pre-orders for the watch would likely commence within days of the keynote. For consumers planning to upgrade, these dates are worth noting. Apple's latest releases often experience rapid sellouts within hours of pre-orders opening, making early action essential for those wishing to secure a device on launch day. With the possible retirement of the Plus model, the debut of the iPhone 17 Air, and a potential future shift in Apple's product release strategy, September 2025 promises to be a significant moment in the company's history and possibly the beginning of a new era in how Apple introduces its flagship products. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.